So in my last video, I showed you we have created the storage account and we have added one username to which have that particular role. So if you want to check that whether that role is applied to that user or not, log into that azure.portal.com using that username, credential and password. So it will ask you for the username and password. I'll try to log in using the particular username for which we have added that role-based access control. Provide the password for that username. If I go to the storage account, now you can see that he is able to see that particular data lake storage. And if we go to the container, he can see that particular data and he will be able to upload the documents over here. If you go to the other containers, oh sorry, like output and other things, see here he is not able to upload any documents because this person does not have the permission to access this data. So this way you can perform the role based access control to any users for your data lake storage. I'll again show you. Firstly, we log in and we have created the storage account and we have added the role based access control for this user, and this user only have the access to the data. If you remember in my last video, if you go to the container, for only the data container this particular user have the, and you can see his access, what kind of access he have for that particular container. You can go and see that view my access in the, you can see that, oh it's loading, storage about data owner. So you can see that that particular access this resource have, you can click on that also and you can check that what are the different actions available for that user, what are the permissions, and what are the assignments available for that storage account owner. So you can see that only this particular username is assigned to that owner group. So in this way you can design your storage account and have the particular role based access to that data lake storage account. If you have any questions on this, do let me know. I'll try to answer those questions here. Thank you so much.